Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making a beautiful cranberry orange tinted lip balm. The base of this lip balm is a blend of creamy beeswax, silky babassu oil, brittle cocoa butter, and fruity, fragrantly gorgeous cranberry seed oil. To that I've added some orange essential oil, which is optional. If you decide to leave it out, the lip balm has a fairly soft, kind of fruity, juicy scent from that gorgeous cranberry seed oil. For color, we've got two ingredients. We have a touch of mica, which doesn't really contribute any color to the skin, but does add a little bit of shimmer and sparkle. And you can have some fun there. You could choose a red or a pink mica that'll just, pair quite nicely and sort of support the red color. Or you can choose something that will kind of contrast with it a bit, so something like gold or silver or copper or bronze would also be beautiful. The lip tinting part of this lip balm comes from the inclusion of some liquid carmine dye at 8%. So this is carmine that has been pre-dispersed in castor oil professionally, so it incorporates very, very easily. If your carmine is powdered or if you don't want to use carmine, please make sure you are reading the blog post linked in the description box below. I'll include information there on substitutions and other adjustments that you can make. As is pretty standard for lip balm, the making of this is very simple. We're pretty much just melting everything together, quickly adding our cool down ingredients, and then pouring it into tubes and leaving it to set up. So come on, let's get started. We'll begin by combining our heated ingredients in a glass beaker. So we're going to need 13.5 grams of unrefined beeswax, 12.5 grams of refined babassu oil or refined coconut oil, 3 grams of refined and deodorized cocoa butter, and 16 grams cranberry seed oil. Now we're going to add our colorants. So we're going to be including 0.5 gram of a complementary mica. So you could use something pink or red to complement the carmine, or you could use something kind of gold for a bit of contrast, which is what I am doing here. Copper would also be really nice. There's lots of fun that you can have with this part of the project. And then we'll need 4 grams of a liquid carmine dye. And for details and substitutions, please make sure you are reading the blog post, which is linked in the description box below. Once you have all your carmine dye in there, we're going to pop the beaker in a water bath. So this is a small flat-bottomed saucepan that has about 1 inch or 3 centimeters of water in the bottom of it and a little silicone drink trivet to protect the beaker from some of the heat. We're going to go pop this on the stovetop over medium heat for about half an hour to melt everything through. Once the lip balm has melted, you can remove your water bath from the heat and then remove your beaker from the water bath. Up next, we need to add our cool down phase ingredients. We need 1/4 gram of vitamin E and 1/4 gram sweet orange essential oil. Give that a quick stir, and then we're going to pour into our tubes. So we're going to leave those to set up. I recommend grabbing some paper towel and immediately wiping down your spatula and beaker to make the cleanup process as easy as possible. The cleaner your beaker and spatula are before you get in there with hot water and detergent, the easier they will be to clean. Once the lip balms have set up, we're going to put some lids on them, and then I'm going to wipe each of the tubes down with a paper towel that's got some isopropyl alcohol on it. You can see that some of these have a bit of lip balm that has run down the side, and if we don't wipe that off now, then our labels will just fall straight off. To decorate the lip balm, I'm going to use a bit of this appropriately cranberry hued washi tape. This one is from the Muji store. And there you go. You just made some beautiful cranberry orange tinted lip balm. For a bit of a demo of the color on my hand. That's kind of where we're at, and I do find that on the lips this gives a bit of a tint to the lips, but not so much that you really need to be concerned about making sure you're applying with a mirror lest you sort of end up with a Joker-esque smile. But yeah, there we are. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and please remember to check the description box below this video for more information. If you click through to find this post on my blog on humblebeeandme.com, you'll find a lot more information, the full written recipe with all the amounts written out, information on substitutions, scaling, where to buy ingredients, and a discount code for the cranberry seed oil from Essential Wholesale. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.